Have you ever felt invisible? Like the world keeps moving, but you're standing still? This is the story of a girl. Quiet, thoughtful, someone who blended into the crowd, yet always wondered if her presence really mattered. But one day, a small moment, a simple act of kindness, changed everything. And what began as a quiet gesture became the start of something extraordinary. Every morning, she walked through busy streets, faces rushing past, voices fading into noise. No one really saw her. No one really listened. But deep inside, she longed to make a difference. Not in a loud, dramatic way, just quietly, gently through something real. One question echoed in her heart. Can one person truly make a difference? She worked in a small bookstore, surrounded by stories of courage and love. Yet, her own story felt unfinished. One rainy afternoon, she saw a small paper flutter to her feet. She picked it up and read the words written in faded ink. Sometimes a little kindness is all we need to survive. Those words stayed with her. That night, as she stared out her window at the falling rain, she whispered, "Maybe I can be that kindness for someone else." And with that quiet promise, her story began to change. The next morning, she noticed things she'd never seen before. The woman struggling with heavy bags, the old man sitting alone on a bench, the tired eyes of people rushing past. Without thinking, she helped. A simple act, carrying the bags, sharing a smile, saying, "It's okay, I've got this." The woman's eyes filled with tears. "Thank you," she said softly. "I didn't think anyone would stop." And in that moment, something shifted inside her. Kindness wasn't small. It was powerful, quiet but unstoppable. Day after day, she kept going, leaving small notes of hope in books, helping strangers, sharing warmth, even with just a smile. She started writing them down, every small act, calling it her power list. Each time she wrote one, her confidence grew a little stronger. Her fear faded, replaced by something brighter. The girl who once felt invisible was now lighting up the world, quietly, beautifully, one act at a time. Then one night, a storm hit her city. Flooded streets, shouts, fear, confusion. But she didn't hesitate. She ran into the storm, helping children, guiding the elderly, comforting the lost. Her clothes soaked, her body tired, but her spirit unshaken. Hours later, a mother hugged her tightly and whispered, "You saved us, you gave us hope." In that moment, she understood the power she had carried all along. She finally realized that kindness isn't something you give and forget. It's something you live. It grows in silence. It changes lives quietly but deeply. And when you choose kindness, you don't just help others, you find yourself. She once thought she was invisible, but now she shines brighter than ever. Because the truth is simple. One act of kindness can start a chain that never ends. And that's how a quiet girl became a light for the world. This is English Story Light, where every story lights the path to becoming your best self.